To auto disconnect your auto hotspot connection when not in use in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll down the screen, tap auto hotspot connection, and then tap the gray on off switch next to disconnect when not in use until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will save more battery by disconnecting from your auto hotspot whenever your phone screen is turned off and no data being transferred. As a note, this option will be available if you set your auto hotspot connection to us before connecting or to always. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.